As per our tradition, we develop specialized products for washing, cleaning, and care with a wide range of applications. Some of our main raw materials are stored in tanks with a total capacity of more than 190,000 liters. Our products are made from biodegradable raw materials that are not pre-mixed. The quality control, from the raw material to the finished product, is carried out in different phases, also with the use of special instrumentation. Hygan 4.0. The production and packaging facilities are fully automated and allow us to mix up to 70,000 liters of products. An internal laboratory with state-of-the-art equipment is the heart of Hygan. Every day, our research department is engaged in the development of innovative products that don't harm the environment, materials, and consumers. Our 200 different formulations are distributed throughout Italy and Europe. Up to 6,000 bottles per hour pass through the packaging line. The synergy between man and machine is one of the secrets of our success. Customers appreciate our high-quality standards. Following our philosophy as thoroughly as necessary, as gently as possible, we produce optimal products in all sectors. Hygan, innovative cleaning products.